Hello friends, today we will learn how to make rain in Blender, as you can see in this video. So let's move on to our tutorial. First add a plane and scale it, and then press Shift-D to duplicate it and move it up on the Z-axis. After that, add a UV sphere, go into Edit mode, and use proportional editing to shape it like a raindrop. Go back to Object mode and select the bottom plane and go to Edit mode and subdivide it. You can keep the number of subdivisions less. I'll keep 50 for mine. Return to Object mode. Go to Particles, click the plus scroll down and click Render and select Object in Render As, and then select Sphere in Instance Object. After that, press the spacebar and you will see that the basic rain is ready. You can go to Up Emission and keep the numbers according to your choice. I will keep 10,000 for myself. You can scale the raindrops down or up by going into the render. Also increase the scale random, which will make the rain look more realistic. Then select the bottom plane, go to Physics Properties, go to Collision, and then click Kill Particles. Then go to Dynamic Paint, click Add Canvas, and select Waves in the surface type. After that, select the top plane. Again, go to Dynamic Paint. This time select Brush instead of Canvas in type. Click on Add Brush, come down and select Particle System in Paint, and below also select Particle System. Press the spacebar, and you will see the result. Apply Subdivision Surface Modifier to improve it. After doing all this, we will texture the ocean on this plane. As I am doing, you can do the same. If you want, you can watch the video in slow motion. After texturing the ocean, we will texturize this raindrop. Select this raindrop and go to Material Properties and set the roughness value to 0, and go down, and set the transmission value to 1, and IQR value to 1.333. Go back up and change the base color of this raindrop. Apply the Subdivision Surface Modifier to it to make it even better. After completing all the settings, press the spacebar, and you will see that your rain is completely ready. So this was our video for today. How did you like this video? Let me know in the comments section and subscribe to this channel for more interesting tutorials like this.